Industrial maintenance is fraught with challenges like unexpected equipment shutdowns and safety issues. Mechanical loosening, bearing wear, unbalanced and misaligned parts. Reality is that you can't fix what you can't see coming. Advantech iPHM revolutionizes maintenance, featuring LoRaWAN gateways and sensors. Real-time data collection and AI-driven analytics predict equipment health. By entering iPHM as your industrial control center, you will enable continuous sensing, autonomous intelligence, and predictive foresight. The architecture of foresight is based on 3 pillars: sense, transmit, and predict. The edge for sense, the gateway for transmit, and the brain for predict. In factories like petrochemical plants, semiconductor factories, tire factories, and steel mills, iPHM has reduced inspection frequency and improved resource allocation. Zero coding, 7-day foresight. ISO 20816 compliant. Stop reacting, start predicting. Advantech iPHM, the intelligent edge between your machinery and your peace of mind.